Hello and welcome to The Fix, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do, and also click the bell icon so you could get all my future videos. And today on The Fix we are going to restore or fix these headlights. If you could see that these headlights are gone yellow coloured. Now this car's actually failed the MOT because of the headlights. You can't get a headlight pattern out. Now this happens to the cars because all the cars nowadays are made with plastic headlights. In the old days they were made with glass, so you didn't have this problem. So what happens, the UV light penetrates the headlight and causes this yellowing of the plastic, and they go hazy. From the factory they actually come with a UV coating, but over the time it fades away, and then the UV light penetrates the plastic, and then this effect you have. Today we're going to be using this kit. It's meant to be a quick and easy way to restore your headlights. And also we need a cloth, and I'm going to be using my drill because I haven't got one of them mini polishers. And also I've got water. This is just water, it's not Mr. Muscle or anything. I've just filled this bottle up with water. I'm going to start off by washing this headlight first. So I'll spray loads of water on it. That's just to get all the clean it and get all the dust and everything off of it. Okay, then we're going to dry it off. So now all the dirt and everything is off of the headlight. Let's have a look at this kit. It says on it DIY headlight restoration kit, meant to be quite quick and easy. So let's see now what we've got in this kit. Alright, so over here we have this attachment which you apply the pad to, and on this is for the polishing, and also on that you could apply these sandpapers. So we've got 3 grits here now. So we've got 1200, 2000 and 800, and we've got 2 of each, so you could do both headlights. Right, now, and then you've got this is the step 2. After we've done the sanding, what we're going to do, we're going to polish it with this pad using this paste to bring up the shine back on the headlight. And then on the last stage we're going to apply this. This is the UV protective liquid that you apply afterwards, so it protects it from getting dull again. And also in this kit you've got this applicator. This is to apply that liquid. And also we've got masking tape. We're going to put this masking tape around here so we don't scratch it by accident with the machine. Now we're going to apply the masking tape around here. This is to stop the sander from going on the paintwork and scratching it up. It's better to double up on it so you could make it, you know, thick enough so even if you touch it by the sander by accident it won't penetrate all the way through. That's ready for our first step, which is going to be, we're going to use this pad. So, and we've got 1200, 800 and 2000. So we're going to use it in this order. Use the most coarse one first, which is 800 in this pack. It's on there, and remember to wet the sanding disc. Now we're going to start off by sanding this with the 800 grit. but always be careful that you don't put it on an edge like that. Trying to have it as flat as possible, otherwise you're going to cause ditches in the plastic and that'll ruin the job. So here we go. Important to always make sure it's wet. Always apply water, don't let it go dry. Right, now we're finished with our 800. We've got to move on to the 1200 in a minute, but remember these corners and things like bits sticking out, you can't do it with the gun, so I'm just gonna do that by hand a little bit like that. And if you look around here, it's got an edge round there, so I'm going to just do it from here. Now that's done, that's finished for the 800. Yeah, now I'm going to put on the 1200 grit, which is the next coarse one up. I mean the fine one. The finest one we've got is the 2000. In a minute. Oh, it's not sticking because a bit of that other one was left on it. So here we go. That's on there now. And then remember the same thing again. First, what we'll do, I think we'll wipe the headlight first. Now we've just cleaned the headlight. As you could see, all these scratches on it now, they're made from the 800 grit sandpaper. So now we're going to have to get rid of the scratches by going to a finer grit, which is 1200. Then after that we're going to finish it off with the 2000 grit. Then after that we'll use the polishing, which is like a really fine, it is like a sandpaper, but it's a liquid form and a really fine polish. So let's do this one. Now we're finished with that, so I'm just gonna do these little edges. That's done. Give it another clean. Bit of sandpaper stuck on there. We'll just polish that out in a second. Now I'm going to use our final one, which is the 2000 grit. This is the fine one, it's just like actually polishing it. Let's start off. This one's coming off now because there's not enough water, but let me just finish this off. Now we've got all that stuff on sandpaper off. This is ready for the final stage. Yeah, now I'm just going to clean the headlight and then we're going to polish it after that. That's it. I'll just dry that off a bit. Now we're on for our final stage, which is you put the polishing pad on. Now we're going to use this polishing paste to bring the headlight back to full shininess. Yeah, now I've put on a pair of gloves because that paste might irritate your skin. So once you've got that on, then just apply the paste. I do it usually like this. Instead of applying it to the pad, I apply it to the headlight. Alright, now there we go. Now let's start polishing it. I usually do it in side to side motion like that. Right, now I would say so far so good. Give that a little wipe and let me just see. There was previously some deep scratches on the headlight there and stuff, so what I'm going to try and do, just apply some of this paste there and a bit there. I think a bit there, and I'll try and polish them out. This is a sponge, so it flexes to the shape of the light. So it's alright, you could do this on the edges and stuff like that. Okay. Right, now we've cleaned the headlight, fully dried it. I'm also going to tape all the tape off because this will all have dust in it. So when we apply our UV protection, we don't want any dust and stuff flying on it because you've got to leave it for a couple of hours to dry off. So that's it, wipe around here so this dust don't fly on it. Wipe all that off. Right, now the headlight is completely free of any dust or its water and everything, so you can see, and if you clean around it it's better so the dust don't fly on it. Right, now for our final stage, which is the UV protection liquid. This applicator that was supplied with the kit, we're going to apply this paste. So what you're meant to do is apply it evenly like that. Bit too much of it come out there. You've applied it over the headlight, apply the rest of it. Applied it all over the light evenly. Don't worry about the lines and the streaks because it's meant to blend it to itself. When you leave it a little while, it starts blending into the lines and things. Okay, that's done now. And we're going to leave that about 2 hours, and hopefully it won't rain, so that's done. Now, this is how we started off with the headlight. It was like that, yellow colouring, and then the after result is that, the finished article. That actually looks like a brand new headlight. I hope you enjoyed this video of us restoring these headlights from what they were before to what it is now, right? So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon so you could get all the future videos of the fix. Thank you.